Okay, we're going to make a poultice out of this herb. This is called ringworm bush as a remedy for Tatay's ringworm. Okay.
And other herb.
Just cut it there, cut it into small pieces, and add a bit of olive oil. Don't take my video, just this one. Just put a bit of olive oil. That's it. And then I'm going to put this in the blender. I'll show you the poultice later on. Now, you see, this is now cotton wool like. So this is the consistency. It should look like cotton wool. And this will become the poultice, and you will put this into the buni or the ringworm. Okay? Thank you. Okay, so you just make a fresh batch of this poultice every day. So this is, you have to change the poultice 3 times a day. This is for, so we'll start in the evening, morning and lunchtime, and then you make a fresh batch in the afternoon. Okay? Until the ringworm is healed. Okay.
Tapos pag healed na yung ringworm, i-video na ulit.
Yan. Just put the poultice over the ringworm. Diba? Cover mo maigi. Lahat.
Lahat?
Pantayin mo. Hindi. Ibig sabihin pantayin mo yung pagkalagay. Just put it evenly. And then you cover it with plastic. Tapos, cover it with gauze to secure. Nahirapan ka? Ako na nga. Hawakan mo tong video. Ganyan lang, ganyan. Just secure it.
Magpas ka na ba? Bilis na.
Finish your toothbrush, Sarah?
Yeah.
Maigpit na?
Hindi.
Gumalaw na yata.
Ano siya sarado yan? Ano sa ilalim yung dulo?
Ayan o, nilabas ko nga eh. Ayos.
Ang pilay.
Maigpit na. Papalitan mo yun ng 3 beses ang araw. You change it 3 times a day. Okay?
Hindi.
You know how to do this, Sarah? No. Yeah, di bale, you just look at